What's going on, my friends? I'm going to be showing you how to clean a dry erase board, or also what's known as a whiteboard. If you leave the marker on for months or even years, it can be very difficult to remove. Sometimes a damp cloth just doesn't cut it. Here's what you want. Something that simple. Just like that. Fast. Effective. Just like that. That's what you want. Look at that. It's all right there on my towel. And how did I do it? Rubbing alcohol. Here's what you need. It doesn't matter if it's 91% or 70%. This is 70%. If you got 91%, just use that. How do you apply it? Take off the lid. Boom. Boom. Just like that. And then all I did was rub. And that is how to clean a dry erase board.